Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is James, and I'm here with another product review. This time, I'm going to review Bulldog. Now, Bulldog is a men's care product company out of the UK. They pretty much specialize in men's care, and I've heard about them for the last couple of years. So when I was at my local store shopping around for replacement cartridges for my razor, I came across this fancy package. The package includes this nice razor, shave gel, and moisturizer. Now, for this package, plus replacement blades, it was cheaper than my regular 4 or 5 blade, whatever, cartridge replacement. So I thought, what the heck, it's a good company. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so give it a shot. Now, right off the bat, what you got to do is you got to wet your face and you got to use the shave gel. The shave gel is, just as they say, it's a gel. Comes out the tube, and that's the gel. So basically what you do is you wipe that all over your face, you massage it in, and it makes a little bit of a lather. Not a big lather, but just enough that it gets in your whiskers and, creates a little bit of whiteness there. So once you get on your face and your neck, where you want to shave, you then take your razor. Now, what I really liked about this razor was, of course, the handle. It's a bamboo handle, or so they say, but let's call it a bamboo handle. It is a really nice handle. I still like the handle. I think it's cool. It's light. It feels good in the hand. It's got little curves on it, so your fingers easily can fit into certain areas. On the package, they talk about the screw like it's something fancy, but I don't know what the big deal is. To get your blades off, you just easily hit the button, and it comes off, and then same thing, put it on. So just like any other razor, has 5 blades on it. Now, what this razor doesn't have, like most of the new razors out there, is it doesn't curve, it doesn't dip, it doesn't conform to curves in a face. It's just a straight, solid, almost regular Bic style razor, just with 5 blades. I found that when I was using the shave gel, I would say by the time I get through my face, putting this on my face, putting this on my neck, and actually shave maybe half my face to my whole face, by then my neck is already dried up. So I need to take more of the shave gel and do it all over again. The razor, if you go with the grain, it doesn't do a very solid job. Even after going with the grain and inside the grain, you can still feel quite a bit of stubble on your face. So I didn't like it as much as my regular razor for that fact. So the shave gel I didn't really like. The razor I really didn't like. The moisturizer though, the moisturizer I liked. The moisturizer is just a simple white, white moisturizer. It's pretty solid, it's not runny, it's not oily, and that's kind of cool. By the time you get it on your face and whatnot, your face doesn't feel oily. It actually feels really soft, and it will remain soft for a couple of hours. Like, it's really good. I use another type of moisturizer that is a little bit more runny and feels oily afterwards. So I really like that for this reason. And the moisturizer comes scented. It's kind of like a green tea aloe scent. It's not super overpowering. You can just kind of smell it. If you wear cologne, you'll barely even smell it over that. But it is a really good moisturizer. So I would highly recommend the Bulldog Original Moisturizer. It rocks. This stuff you could probably do without. And if they get some curved blades, then I might revisit the Bulldog razor. But as it is, I wouldn't. As far as the shave gel goes, I just go back to my regular stuff. This stuff, I'm gonna put a link for it in the description below because it is good. Get it. Ciao for now.